This black solenoid is used with air horns that require an onboard air system for 12 or 24-volt vehicles. When the vehicle's horn button is depressed, the solenoid becomes electrically energized, opening its chamber and permitting air from the tank to reach the horn. The solenoid remains engaged as long as the horn button is depressed. Air valve is rated up to 185 psi air pressure. Screws into any horn that has a 1/4 of an inch NPT female thread, at airport. Includes a 1/8 of an inch male thread by 1/4 of an inch compression fitting that accommodates a 1/4 of an inch outer diameter hose with a 1/8 of an inch inner diameter connection.